I had to hold my tongue about this collection for so long, you guys. I'm so sorry. I hate gatekeeping from you, but I had to. But it's finally here. Let's talk about Louis Vuitton, Chapter 3, Murakami, Just the Cherry, led by Queen Z. I mean, look at this ad for... She's doing it. She's doing it. She's doing it. She's doing it well. Okay, so let's talk about this. All right, so this is the third chapter installment of the Murakami collection. The first one was obviously the multicolor, and the second one was the cherry blossom, and now we're doing the cherries, which I think arguably might have been the most popular. We'll see. That's a weird head placement. Have you guys seen it yet? What do you want? Let me know. Let's talk about what we're going to get. What should we get? So my essay texted me, and I was able to see the collection early, so I was able to pre-order stuff from the collection, but I have to go pick it up in France. I can still pre-order more, so let me know what you guys want me to get, and we'll go pick it up in France, right? Should we go pick it up in France? I think we should go pick it up in France. Why not? All right, so here's the collection. Also, the price difference between the US and France is crazy. Okay, so here's the US one. I won't go through reading all of it, but all right, we've got the the regular Speedy 20 Mini with the cherry. I think that's going to be really popular. The Alma with the cherry, the Neverfull with the cherry, 3,300, 2,300, 2,800, I think was the other one. It's very much like the old collection at 2,870. This will sell out. I feel like I should get this. Although this is not really me. But collector's piece, right? I wonder if I could just get Z, you know? All right, so they got some clothes, some scarves. They've got a bunch of stuff. I don't think it's as broad as the other two collections. Then they have the denim version with the cherry, which is cool. Denim's never really been my interest, but I feel like a lot of people will like this too. And the third section is the white, which, I don't know, this could be a hit or miss. Do you guys like this? What do you think? Okay, we got a Speedy Soft for $5. Got some shoes. We got an East-West Pochette. I'm probably going too fast. The soft trunk, the cosmetic pouch. There's some small things, some clothes, bathing suits. Keepall for $61, the trunk for $5, passport cover, that's gonna sell out real quick. It's a little card holder, the socks, the shoes, this chair. I kind of love the chair. I don't know if I could bring that back, but I kind of want the chair. $1,800. The $5,000 Keepall, the bike for $32, cool, $32. And then we get back into chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, so what do we like? I'm going to show you the French version now. Hold on. Wait, stay. So this is a French website with the preview. That's how you order. If you want me to do a longer video on how I ordered it and stuff like that, I can show you guys. Let me know. Just let me know in the comments below. I'll do a longer video of the order process for pre-orders in France. These are all the looks. Do I need to go through the looks? Or do we want to go through the looks? I think they're, you know. Okay, so $25.50 versus $28 plus 28 plus tax, so $31. That's gonna be $25 minus the VAT, so like $22, so almost $1,000. $27 for the Neverfull versus $33. All of these, like, it's a good $1,000 price difference in most of these, which is crazy. Because if you get a few pieces, your flight and trip is all covered, and you get a free trip to Paris plus the new collection. There are a few things on here that I did not see, like the fan, I think, wasn't there. There's a couple of cups. Yeah, these cups, saucer, I don't think was in the U.S. Are these trunks there? I don't remember now. Anyway, what do you guys... Oh, everything looks so good. Okay, let me know in the comments below what you want me to get. I will go get it. What you're excited about. What you